Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today, man. I hope you guys are having a great day today. And so let's get to the video, y'all. So today I did a couple of drone shots, and man, it's working out pretty good. I'm actually learning how to fly this thing. I remember the first day when I ordered it and took it out of the box, I didn't know how to what is it called? Calibrate it. So I guess I didn't calibrate it right, and that sucker, I hit one up button, and that sucker just took off and it started going all kind of ways. So but now I'm actually learning how to fly this thing, and man, I kind of like it though, man. Hopefully I can get some good footage for y'all. Now the drone that I got, it's a cheap drone, guys. I just wanted to practice with it, and then eventually move on up to the Maverick. I do like the Maverick, but gotta put on my glasses, y'all. Can't see. But yeah, eventually, guys, I do want to move up to a better drone. I just bought this one to practice with it, because with that other drone, with the expensive one, I definitely don't want to crash that thing. So definitely want to know what I'm doing with it. So with that being said, guys, I got a couple of drone footage that I recorded with the drone or whatever, so y'all stay tuned for that. And also, guys, I wanted to show y'all what I installed on my wife's car. You know what, I'm just gonna save that for another video, so y'all just stay tuned, man. There's a lot in right there. But yeah, y'all just stay tuned, and I'm gonna go ahead and drop them drone videos at the end of this video. So y'all make sure y'all give me a like, share my video, and hit that subscribe button. That way you guys can tune in and seeing these videos that I'm giving out. But yeah, guys, so with that being said, this is the end of the video, and just make sure you stick around for at the end of this video. So I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.
I know why they ain't know me, so I switched spots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, and you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they ain't know me, so I switched spots. Never running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. Hold the wrist, I had to get the bag. Ice on my wrist.